Despite raids, cease and desist orders, national investigations, and widespread condemnation by Surigao Nons, illegal mining operators in Surigao City have brazenly resumed operations, igniting fresh outrage. Just months ago, these operations conducted by Chinese operators devastated communities, turning clear rivers into murky, unusable streams, choking irrigation systems, and damaging private property. But recent inspections confirmed renewed and intensified mining activities, severely impacting local agriculture and threatening farmers' livelihoods.
Itong last session na mo inspeksyon ta si Mabaw, kaya natingaman ta nga lubog mapiminti ang suba. Tapos na mo ginakita nga naay nag-operasyon. Although ang ubang bakho maglihok, pero naay bakho naglihok dito sa pikas nga kabahin. Ako komitiba sa agriculture, maepektuhan magud ang kabasakan. Labi na itong panahon na itong pagpaagas ng lubog kayo, ang basakan na purwisyo yun na ng aman, anmin na yun na, dili yun nga dili. Mas delikado ron kaya nagkalawom na magud ang kabot. Kaysa una, murag hapaw-hapaw raman to, karon murag naa naman sa ubos. Ang delikado ko doon na kung magpiminting uwan, mapundo siya sa dagko kayo nga lawom naman. Ang delikado dahil ka nang mubuto. Simba ko, layo ra.
Forced to use drones and covert camera setups, media teams documented the renewed excavation. Mining operators now boldly continue excavations hidden behind tarps.
Dugay na ninyo ni nasiplatan ning mag-operate diri?
Nakadugay naman to sila din na, law magtabon. Balik naman sa
pero nakita nimo nga nagtabon sila sa
dire nagtabon sila kunuhay, tambak-tambak, pero ang uban sab dire nagkabot.
So nay nagtabon na po nagkabot. So unsa may lang gikabot sab?
Maramang nagbina.
Unsa man ni? Ang ilang operasyon, gabi, adlaw unsa man ni?
Gabi sila nag-operate din ha.
Provincial Board member Jeff Larong condemned the resumed operations. Given the elevated nature of these mining operations, Larong shared that any containment failure could result in catastrophic flooding, similar to tragic events we've seen in Placera Tubod. During the site inspection, Larong and the team already observed the contents of a tailings pond flowing out into a small stream. Considering that the mining site is dangerously close to residences and communities, Larong demanded urgent action from the DENR and MGB. But for residents, one question remains. Have local officials turned a blind eye to this problem? For more details, read the full report on Inquirer.net.